today's episode, tempers flare as the boys reach their deadline. Will they be able to finish?
She said she was 18!
Will they be able to keep it together?
I don't know if I can do this anymore.
Or will one of them just walk out?
I'll see you help.
Find out on today's episode of Blake Booyah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. We got Ranger Jeff up in this video. We do a little bit of work to him. Stay tuned. Alright, just got that bracket off. It's used. It's a Ford genuine part. It might be factory, but this thing's pretty bad, so we're gonna clean it up, paint it. Ain't easy. You guys probably can't see, but I'm trying to get this leaf spring back in the bracket. And she doesn't want to go at all. I'm hydrated. So yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up here today. Did a little bit of work on Jeffrey. Got a whole lot more coming because he needs a whole lot more. We'll be doing tons of stuff. Me and my buddy's gonna go wheeling at some point, so there'll be plenty of footage on that. Plenty of modifications to come for Jeffrey, so yeah, stay tuned, guys, and as always, keep it weird.